Okay, let's look on rare return extension, how to insulate it, thermally insulate it. Is it good idea or is it bad idea or is it very bad idea or just a non-starter? So first of all, this is the rare return extension. Let me just highlight it. This is rare return extension. There is yard in front of it. And main house, obviously, it's this thing here. Now, obviously, in Belfast, there's plenty of it. It's when I'm looking on East Belfast, you know, every single house has rare return extension. There's next door neighbors extension, next door neighbor. They are extending up to the alleyway. And now, how good is the external wall insulation for this rare return? But first of all, rare return extensions takes a lot of energy. Main house is like a penguin. It's very tight. It doesn't have many things sticking out. You can put external insulation. It's just kind of like, sounds like no-brainer that you just put external wall insulation all around. If not this rare return extensions, then this would be just super simple, yes? You just go like that. Now, how clever it is to do with this external wall insulation with this one. Let's just draw it up. Okay, so let's put it this way, that way. Let's go this way. All right. Now, obviously, first thing, it decreases size of your yard. Okay. Now, it decreases size of a neighbor's yard. Yes. And now they need to agree that you can put external wall insulation on their side. Imagine that your next door neighbor wants exactly the same. Put external wall insulation into your yard. Okay, so your yard is getting super tight. Yes, super tight, super small, and you will not agree. Next door neighbor here as well will not agree for you to put insulation. And other thing is like this, even if they did, and even if the line of junction, which is a line between properties, was going somewhere, let me draw it somewhere here. Let's say that this is your extension, you are putting external wall insulation, and a line of junction, which is the property boundary, is actually, it's actually line of junction, yes? LOJ. It's actually behind, so this external wall insulation would be still on your side. Well, first of all, someone needs to get in to install it. Another thing is that neighbor, even if it will be agreed by you, neighbor can get some crazy ideas to drill there and put something, install something there. The render on external wall insulation is a super important thing. It cannot be compromised. Okay, this is the thing that is protecting your house from wind-driven rain, stuff like that. It's a super serious thing. So you want to see your external wall insulation. You want to see your render if it's intact. Okay, you don't want to leave it for a chance. So unlikely you would like to have it on the side of your neighbor, even if it's still on your property. Now, how good it is to put this external wall insulation at the alleyway? Yes, there's an alleyway. There are, people are wheeling their kind of wheelie bins left and right, and there are sometimes cars coming across to clean the area. It would be just robbed, it would be destroyed. And first of all, it's just not on your property. It's outside. It's not in your area. So it's a non-starter, I believe, for this reason as well. So it's first, it takes space from your place. Second thing, you would need to install it not on your property, outside your property. And the last and not least, and this is actually something that applies for many other situations, a lot of thermal bridges. So you have wall here, and this wall here is just a thermal bridge. The cold, or let's say heat, is escaping this way, yes? Let me just blow it up and make it a bigger kind of detail. So you have here your wall of of your extension. Everything fine, you want to insulate it from outside, makes sense. Doesn't take space away from inside, yes, nothing is projecting there. So you have insulation, but then you have the boundary wall, yes, this is the boundary wall. And this boundary wall is not insulated, and it's creating thermal bridge. So again, heat is escaping from here this way, yes, this way, that way. It's a cold bridge, yes, it's a cold bridge, thermal bridge. So that's another. There are solutions to solve the kind of this detail, but you know, practically speaking, this is just one very strong reason not to do external wall insulation on those rare returns. I'll come back and I will talk about internal wall insulation for these rare returns on another occasion.